It all started when Mama Bear cooked some porridge and decided to take a walk with the family. Goldilocks, who doesn't even have gold locks, was taking a walk and came across the bear's house. She then smelled some good food, walked into the yard, and then into the house. She then came across Papa Bear's sofa.
This is so hard for me to sit on.
And then on Mama Bear's sofa.
Oh, this is so soft.
Then Baby Bear's.
This one is just right.
Then she walked into the kitchen.
Ooh.
She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table.
Ouch! Too hot. Yuck! Too cold.
And then she ate Baby Bear's whole porridge. Then she came across the bedroom.
This bed is so hard.
Papa's bed was rough.
Oh, it's too soft.
Mama's bed was soft.
This one seems fine.
She slept on Baby Bear's bed.
What?
Mama, Papa, my chair is broken up.
Even our porridge. How did this happen?
Mommy, look at my porridge.
It's gonna be alright.
Then Baby Bear found
Mama,
Goldie.
Papa, look who I found. Who is this?
Oh, sorry, I didn't know this was your house, sorry. Goldie and Baby Bear became best friends forever. Let's just ignore how Goldie doesn't have gold locks and how Bear and his family didn't have ears at first. Either way, comment down below what you think of this animation. Please don't roast me in the comment section. I know some of you are already thinking of roasting me. Please don't. This took me 3 days to make. I hope you have enjoyed this animation. The end.